Which of these blood cells help in blood clotting? Correct answer, platelets. What is the resolution of the human eye? Correct answer, 576 megapixels. In eye donation, which part of the donor's eye is utilized? Correct answer, cornea. What is the basic unit of heredity? Correct answer, gene. What is known as the powerhouse of the cell? Correct answer, mitochondria. Which vitamin is known as the sunshine vitamin? Correct answer, vitamin D. Which blood group is known as the universal donor? Correct answer, O negative. Which blood group is called the universal acceptor? Correct answer, A positive. Which organ produces insulin in the human body? Correct answer, pancreas. Myopia is a human eye disorder that can be corrected by using which lens? Correct answer, concave lens. The medical term used to explain short-sightedness is? Correct answer, myopia. Which part of the plant is mainly responsible for photosynthesis? Correct answer, leaves. What is the normal pH level of human blood? Correct answer, 7.4. What is the main function of the kidneys? Correct answer, filtration of blood. Glaucoma is a disease that affects the? Correct answer, eyes. What is the largest bone in the human body? Correct answer, femur. What is the smallest bone in the human body? Correct answer, stapes. Which organ system includes the skin? Correct answer, integumentary system. Which hormone is primarily released during stress? Correct answer, cortisol. Blood is transported away from the heart by? Correct answer, arteries. Which gas is a waste product of cellular respiration? Correct answer, carbon dioxide. What is the smallest unit of life? Correct answer, cell. What is the primary purpose of the rib cage? Correct answer, to protect the heart and lungs. Tendons and ligaments are examples of which type of tissue? Correct answer, fibrous connective tissue. What is the primary function of antibodies? Correct answer, fight infection. Which organ is primarily responsible for detoxifying chemicals in the body? Correct answer, liver. What pigment gives plants their green color? Correct answer, chlorophyll. Which of the following is a fat-soluble vitamin? Correct answer, vitamin D. What enzyme in saliva breaks down starches? Correct answer, amylase. Which part of the human brain controls breathing? Correct answer, medulla oblongata. Which cells in the body are primarily responsible for immunity? Correct answer, white blood cells. Which organelle is responsible for protein synthesis? Correct answer, ribosome. Which vitamin is essential for blood clotting? Correct answer, vitamin K. What is the largest organ in the human body? Correct answer, skin. Where does the digestion of proteins begin in the human body? Correct answer, stomach. Which mineral is important for strong bones and teeth? Correct answer, calcium. What is the main function of red blood cells? Correct answer, to carry oxygen. Which hormone regulates blood sugar levels? Correct answer, insulin. What is the primary role of bile? Correct answer, to emulsify fats. Which macromolecule is primarily responsible for building muscle? Correct answer, proteins. What is the normal human body temperature in Celsius? Correct answer, 37 degrees Celsius. The voice box in humans is also known as the. Correct answer, larynx. What is a primary function of carbohydrates in the body? Correct answer, energy storage. Which of the following is not a function of the liver? Correct answer, secreting insulin. Hemoglobin is a protein found in which cells? Correct answer, red blood cells. What is the primary function of DNA? Correct answer, code for genetic information. Which part of the human body produces bile? Correct answer, liver. Which organ is responsible for removing waste from the blood? Correct answer, kidneys. Which organ is responsible for producing digestive enzymes? Correct answer, pancreas. Which organs filter lymph in the body? Correct answer, lymph nodes. The protein keratin is found in which part of the body? Correct answer, skin.